Good morning friends. Today we are going to see how to do the Coursera certification. Right? For that, the requirement for Coursera certification is that you must have your institutional official mail ID so that you can register your Coursera certification and you can complete your Coursera certificates under your official mail ID. Okay, so a link will be provided to you by the institute to complete or to register your Coursera certification. Here we have provided a link for Coursera certification. Just click on that link so that you will be redirected to the Coursera page. Right, here it will display the name of the institute under which you are going to complete your Coursera certification. Okay, here two buttons are provided, login button and join free. If you already have account on Coursera, click on login, otherwise click on here join for free. Again it will ask for, if you already registered, provide the credentials just like email ID or password, otherwise click here sign up, enter here full name, right, provide the mail ID. Here mail ID must be your official mail ID, and provide the any password. Click here join for free. Okay, here it will display the message, you must confirm your email address before you can join Sri Vitthal Education and Research Institute Pandharpur on Coursera. So check your mail ID, official mail ID, a confirmation mail sent by Coursera to confirm your mail address on Coursera under the institution. Here see, please confirm and thank you for your learning. Click here confirm email address. Okay, a message will be displayed, email verification, your email address is verified, thank you. Okay, here your confirmation of your official mail ID on Coursera under the institute is done. Now you can log into your Coursera account. Here click on login, provide the credentials just like official mail ID, provide the password, click on login. Okay, here you are invited to join Sri Vitthal Education and Research Institute Pandharpur on Coursera. If you click on join, here you have joined under the institute Sri Vitthal Education and Research Institute Pandharpur. Okay, so this is the first page when you log in onto the Coursera. Okay, now in this you have to register one of the courses, complete that course, and after completion you will get the certificate. Okay, so for example you can click here browse catalog, it will display the different subject under which you can create your certificate or certification courses. Okay, here number of courses are provided. number of courses are provided. Otherwise, click here on search option and you can type subject on which you want to complete your course. Okay, Python programming, right? All the courses related to your Python will be displayed here. Python data structure, Python for everybody, Python 3 programming, Python basic. Okay, click on any course here, right? Some information about that course is displayed about this specialization. What is there in this, it is also provided there. Okay, here Python programming for everybody, right? This course aims to teach everyone the basic programming computers using the Python. We cover the basics, how a construct program from series of simple instructions in a Python. Click here, it will show you the information regarding your Python. Okay, this is the first course. If you want to register for second course, you can register for second course, third course, fourth course, right? So under this specialization there are total 5 course specialization, but if you want to register for only one course, you can click, or you can register for one course also. Okay, for registering the course, just click here, enroll for free. Click here, right? Here you will be enrolled for this course. Now click on go to the course. Okay, you will be redirected towards the course material, all that things, right? Here see, this is the structure of your course. Week 1, week 2, week 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 weeks are there, right? Click on here. See, week 1, here week 1 starts. Click here on start. Okay, listen the videos. All detailed information is provided under every course.
Hello, my name is Charles Severance. I'm a clinical
And
professor at the University of Michigan
to
School
know,
of Information,
if you want
and I'm your
a
instructor for this
theoretical
course.
part,
This course
all the
is a little
video
different than
that
every programming
whatever
course
they are
that I've
saying,
ever taught or
this
I've ever
will be
taken.
displayed
This course is
here.
dedicated to the notion that every
things.
single person on the planet
So
needs to be able to
listen
write
to the
programs
video
and can write
completely.
programs.
Then
You do not have
if
to
your
have a
video
bunch of
is
math.
get ended,
Welcome to the class. I look forward to what you
Or-
do, and I look forward to seeing you throughout the class.
here again click on start. You will be redirected to the second page, right? Whatever they have given, read it, mark as a completed, go to the next item. Again videos are there, right? Number of videos are there. You have to just listen all the videos. You have to just listen all the videos, and at the last here they have provided some examples also. Welcome to Python, how to write a program in Python. Okay, next, textbooks are provided. If you want to know, or if you want to buy the textbooks, they have provided the links also here. Go to the next, right? Now here how your assignment will be submitted. See, submitting the assignment. After every week you have to submit the assignment. After every week you have to submit the assignment. Then and then only your first week will be completed. Mark here as a completed. Read it carefully. Okay, listen to the videos.
I just ask you to. The is the most common. Don't try to learn this right away. Up next, we're going to talk about the hardware architecture and what goes on inside the computer that you're going to make use of as you become a programmer.
here Python code playground. In this you have to click open tool. Here one task will be given to you. Complete that task. You can write any code. In the below there are 3 files uploaded and ready to open if you want to processing file. Okay, so you have to just provide the code, run the code, okay, and it will be assess you, and the that week will be completed. So this is your first course, that is a Python. If you want to register for another course, click here, go for another course like database management or database system, right? Any course if you want to join, you can join here. Here Python basic, just click on that course, enroll for that course, and you will be redirected to the course. All the courses whatever you have registered, that are included under the your here my courses. Okay, there are 2 courses. First one is a Python for everybody and another one is a Python basic. You can directly click from here also. Here there are 4-week course. Click on week 1. Okay, see, all things are provided here. Okay, you have to start from your first video. Right, so in this way you can register for any course and you can complete your course, so that after completion of course you will be a certificate will be generated, that is the Coursera certificate. And these courses are very much important for your certification under the institute, because this is the standard courses and these are provided by international universities, right? These are provided by international universities. So complete as much courses as you can. Okay, thank you.